fridge stack up, we eat the same grade. We got.
Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to another top 10 social media countdown. So let's get right into it.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, empower all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something, me, what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, spicy Grammys. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. So the burritos. So the Grammy Awards was held recently on Sunday, and people, even though we did not get the outcome that we would have wanted in the reggae current category, you know who brought it to the stage? Spice, the queen of stage. She definitely brought her own red carpet to the Grammys red carpet. Take a look at what she wore.
Let's see the inside of the dress a little bit. Oh, there it is.
You know Spice, I'm going to keep it spicy. Spice is going to bring the energy. She's going to bring her little flair to the carpet. Because in my mind, you know, them type of excitement here is what Spice been waiting for all of her life. And so she's worked hard for it. And so why shouldn't she enjoy the fruits of her labor? All the 360 slow-mo cameras she do, you know? And what was nice is that Rasta was there supporting her right through it. I helped her with the outfit because that piece of red coat, that looked like it well heavy. That, she can't hibernate in that till all. And yeah, never she alone, you know, Shaggy, you know, touched the red carpet as well. Sean Paul, Grams Morgan. I don't think I saw Etana there, but the Jamaicans that went, you know, them represent. So, burritos, let me know what you thought of Spice's outfit. Sound off below. Me like it. Number 9, political dirt. My JLP. Alright, burritos. So, recently they had the, I think it was a Jamaica, what is it called? Jesus Beam. The Jamaican Blue Mountain Coffee Festival or function that was held on the lawns of the Devon House. Kitty was hosting, and in the middle of her duties, she brought up Juliet Holness and Edmund Bartlett, the Minister of Tourism. And, you know, somehow she got Mrs. Holness to do a little bit of the dirt bounce. Take a look.
Do it. Get me clean. Everybody know this.
Right.
Hey! Hey!
Hey! What is oh my God! Hey! Hey! Watch it jump!
If you a girl, just smell and show you them.
Yeah!
Give it them no all the things.
Yeah!
Brand new dance is simple. Dirt with dirt. Show them
Dirt! Catch it dirt, Miss Holness. Stretch it! Dirt! Dirt!
Everybody get your bones, watch out. Dirt. Everybody get your bones.
I mean, like you're a different style.
Dirt. Everybody get your bones.
This is something I will never get tired of seeing. I just love to see when the MP them, you know, the political people them go on with themselves. If only we can get Lisa Hanna to do the dirt bunks, I'm going to sign the petition. I tell her somebody don't want to get her in one TikTok dance video, you know. But it not gonna happen, but me I go work on it, people. It will happen some sweet day. Number 8, ackee info. Me Jamaican dish. Alright, is it Jamaican dish? Jamaica's national fruit. Yes. Alright, so burritos. So I saw this video on Instagram, I think, and this lady, I guess she was some tour guide and she was educating the masses about the dangers of the Jamaican ackee.
You can look at it. I hold it here in my hand. I forgot I hold it in my hand. I go and eat something. I'm good. You definitely have to consume it. So if I cut this open, take the fruit from it, eat it, it can be deadly. So depending on how fast I reach to the hospital, how quick I get medical assistance, I get dead.
Oh yes. Yeah, this is a timely reminder. Do not try to force ripe and open out the ackee because it will take you to the hospital or put you beneath the ground. Burritos, is it the first time that you're hearing of this? And tell me, have you ever had a close call like this by eating ackee? Sound off below. Hey there, are you currently looking for a job? You're trying to find a little way to gain your own independence? Well, look no further because Sutherland has a bag of jobs available for you.
We have jobs and more jobs. Jobs and more. Sutherland have jobs can done. You won't get one, log on and get your application done. Now a COVID time, unemployment high. So come in and make your income start rise. You have 4CXC, English language mandatory. And you have your ID, TRN, NIS. Then nobody can test. Come and show we say you are the best.
Log on to bit.ly/Sutherland Jamaica Jobs and apply today.
Yes, sir. And did you know that the lady who did that jingle, she started Sutherland 10 years ago as an agent, and now she's a senior recruiter. So you say Sutherland, they make use of the new employees and give them opportunities. So people, go on out and apply today. Alright, burritos, so as mentioned, I am one of the Jamaica 60 ambassadors. Yes, people, and so let me just throw to this video talking about ackee. And please to leave in the comments down below because I want to hear what I have to say about this particular question when I'm asking in this video. Take it away.
Hey, what's up? Duttyberry here, and I am one of the Jamaica 60 ambassadors. Yes, we are celebrating our independence and all that comes with it. But if you are a Jamaican and a proud Jamaican, then I hope you enjoy one of my favorite meals them, and that is the Jamaican national dish, ackee and saltfish. Nothing on earth that tastes better. Well, oh yeah, but it's one of my top 5 items, right? But I want to give you guys this question. You have to get rid of one of these ackee and saltfish dishes, right? So, ackee and saltfish with breadfruit, fried dumpling, rice, and bread. Think about it wisely. One has to go. Which are you going to get rid of? Sound off in the comments below and make sure people to find out more about all of the festivities that will be happening for Jamaica 60. Go and download the Reggae Jamaica app right now. Ta-ta!
Okay, number 7, my word burritos. So, G's and P, on the nose the other day at the Oscars, you had the slap heard across the world with Will Smith and Chris Rock. That was just such a moment, legendary. We will never forget this for generations to come. But anyhow, it seems as if this particular vibe has somehow, you know, reached into the Caribbean where the political representatives are now daring people to come for the smoke. Take a listen to this St. Vincent MP.
Madam Speaker, I charge you to advise the Honorable Minister who makes these cynical comments about my medical attention to resist being asinine in his comments, because that's what he's doing. You do not make snide remarks about people's medical needs. If he were close to me, he would get a Chris Rock special. Because he is that foolish. He is that foolish.
Honorable members, let us observe proper parliamentary language.
Thank you, Madam
Honorable
Speaker.
member, please continue.
Oh wow! No, Jesus Pim, them people are not play. They are not playing. No, they serious. I saw them serious. Jesus Pim. I thought this would have reached Jamaica before it reached St. Vincent, so I'm a little bit shocked. Burritos, what do you have to say about this? Sound off below. Number 6, driver, pull up. Me honk honk. Really? Me honk honk. Alright, I'm going to work with it. Alright, burritos, so I saw this video online now, and I guess this brother was passing an accident on the road, and he, I guess, reached out to get some information on the situation, but he was not prepared for this particular response. Take a listen.
How you set your mouth to say that?
You know what going here, so? But me see. Daddy one, what happened?
Yo, accident boy. Someone give me a backers, you know?
Jaja.
No, did the man just say him get a boom it and a carpet on the beat, me just a map it on me like that?
Someone give me a backers, you know?
Did he just, wow, like there's never a dull day in a Jamaica, like of all the ways to reply to that question. Burritos, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Number 5, Slim versus Fluffy, me competition. Okay, so wanna know the song Slim versus Fluffy with Spice and Pampute, but people, this is never ending. This is an age-old challenge, battle of the sizes between the Slim girl them and the Fluffy girl them in a dance hall, and this is the recent one, and just guess who became victorious in the end. You know, I do not know why the Slim girls them try to go up with the Fluffy girl them, because listen, you see if there's a dance competition, a Fluffy girl, all them have to do is just shake them foot one time, and them it look like them have do more work than you as the Slim girl. Worse, if they do the split. You see, if I just saw it go. Once a Fluffy girl do a split, done. Pack up your bag and walk come off of the stage. I just saw it go. That is their finish him. When you see a Fluffy girl do the split, that is finish him. Pack up yourself and go. You can't win. Number 4, school challenge quiz finals. So congratulations are in order for St.Jago. They came up victorious in this year's staging of the school challenge quiz. They went up against Calabar in the finals, and trust me people, it was quite a match, but it was very evident that from start to finish, St.Jago was the team to beat. And let's not talk about the fact that they have a 14-year-old girl, like, come on, and this is not her first year participating. Did you hear that speech that this girl gave in the end? Big up she. Our parents and everybody, our teacher, them supposed to well proud, and I'm so excited. I don't even know what she will plan for do with her life, but I just hope say, you know, God just go with her along her way. Also, I forgot big up the men who represented on the St.Jago team as well. Definitely, them hold them own, and they rose to the occasion in the final. And so let me know, burritos, who were you rooting for? Sound off below. Number 3, hotel tax. Me 5-star dining. Okay, so I saw this video on Twitter, and I guess this person who's a hotel worker was speaking it like it is as it relates to the service that many Jamaicans get when they visit the local hotels. He was just saying, say, yo, if you're not a particular vibe or given a certain thing, you're not gonna get certain top service. Listen.
I'll tell you straight, the phone of Jamaicans there around that hotel and talk about the worst experience you get. I rate when I rate on the straight. Enough of we as hotel work on the rate on because I always want to request the most, I don't know about nothing on the money little. I only I take picture of a hype on the grammar to make your life look like say that but you can't show about $1 or $2 pan a ghetto youth. So now do. Your money too small upon your hotel, man, and we are talking like it is. You see me? That is in the minds of most of the workers. Your money small and you want the most, so nobody not show about no effort for you. You have to remember say the idea also we are also, brother. It's a way we are look out. You see me? I want to depend on the hotel, I want to come upon some look 2-day, 3-day thing more time. When nothing going on the hotel when they drop the price. I want to come upon some 2-day, 3-day thing. I want to want everything for perfect. I want to not show about $1. We not go hard for the brother. We go hard for guess that we are make you feel nice. It's we are show about a year and there, but we are making us say yo. We know so we not get no portion of money, you know, so we are giving our strength. That strength, the strength. When you go upon the hotel and move entitled, brother. When the response phone for certain, we are get the average service, basic stock. You see me? We don't go out of way, I tell you straight now. Because I experience it first and when I come to the hotel, brother, on the 6th stomach, brother. You see me? When I want the most on the national board, nothing. You see me? So we go continue to deal with the guests, then we are deal with the good. With exemplary service. We don't get the average level. Basic stock is. Remember the hotel now set up on a level where we can say alright, then no pension or retire and also your rent. So we have also whatever we can house, you know. So when I go on the hotel to play with you know. So when you come on the hotel, them will look a bit of money and expect so we go run up and down for you. Now go work, say brother. Yeah, we are going to delay your service a bit to make sure so we guess them we are dealing with we good, get everything whenever you get on time. So your service half a delay. And I just say that we're not going to hide and play with them, brother. You see me? Because we come around and kill off people with work, I don't know about $1. You see me? So I just say that, brother. I'm going to respond to how you feel. I just say that, brother. We don't have a style when we come to the hotel, we don't want to get the most work. And you can't show about our bills. Move from say, man, man, we will continue to deal with the YT as well.
Oh wow, no. I'm not working at a hotel again, like, cause that was, I appreciate the honesty, you know, because it's something that a lot of persons have seen it for themselves, but to actually hear it from the horse's mouth is a different thing. So just hope that the brother job is secure or whatever, because wow, this was frank. Jesus, Pim. Berry does know on travel and go all about the place from time to time, so let me know, is this the reality and what is the worst service you've experienced from a hotel? Sound off in the comments. Number 2, B-Day proposal. Me? Finally. Alright, so Berry does, this video took place at a woman's, I think it was 45th birthday party, and while there, the host was, you know, doing his thing, and he decided, by the name of Ryan. Ryan boy, anybody who married in Jamaica, you must know him, because word on the street is that he is the go-to guy to MC your wedding. Like, I don't mean say it, I just like anybody or anybody, and that them I say. Some of us work with it. But this brother now, he was there and MCing the B-Day event, when out of the blue, a surprise came for this woman.
Is she looking fabulous, dog? No, is she looking fabulous? No, normally, we're not going to make a ticket, but if you were to make a wish right now, what would be one of the wishes you have?
Wow, see this moment? I just want to have this moment over and over again. Because you know what, for me, it's all family and love. So this right here captured everything I was thinking about in my mind and vision. So this right here, it's just family and love for me.
And if you could have anything happen this year for you, leading to next year that will propel you into 46 and beyond, what would that be?
Oh my God.
You want one of this? Oh, you want something on your finger? You want those ones. If you were to pray to Jesus, how would that prayer sound?
You know, he had said my prayer.
No, more I hear what the prayer that sound like. How would I pray to Jesus right now for ask your husband?
Lord, my husband that you said to me, that he would do the right thing.
Okay. You ever pray for something in your life and it's like it happened sooner than you expected?
No, but things have been working out.
Things have been working out for you.
Yeah.
But you do believe that God answers prayer?
Absolutely.
When was the last time you prayed? Before, no?
Last night.
This morning?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I do believe that God sometimes answers prayer. Do you believe it, ladies and gentlemen?
Definitely.
Well, here's what I want you to do. I want you to read what that says. Right.
Oh wow! Oh yes, yes, yes. These are the type of things me like to say. No, honestly, this was very nice. You can tell so the woman a drop her subliminals for a long time, you know, in the man ears. I say, yo, me no want to reach 50 and you know, come propose to me, you know, because this now I'm going to wear, me need to know what you do. And so the man look like him finally take heed and, you know, he make this woman's dream come true. So I just hope that, you know, the relationship will last and that they will just enjoy their time together. I'm so happy for that woman here. Big up yourself.
Cool it with piece of ice. Scan them, you don't know a spice, and you're watching the Dutty Berry Show. Keep it locked. Spice to that.
And number one goes to Soja win. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So number one goes to the Reggae Grammy winner of 2022, the American reggae group Soja. Now people, we know Walipa never did I expect this. A lot of you were rooting for Spice, some of you for Sean Paul, some for Etana, some for Grams Morgan, and others for Jesse Royal. And I think, you know, to see a white reggae group win, it was pretty shocking for many Jamaicans. I think many of you might have preferred if they went the traditional route, which was to just give a Mali and call it a day. I think many Jamaicans would have just preferred that outcome to that one. But Soja, they've been a reggae band for years, several years.
I don't wanna win food when I don't wanna win.
Oh, sorry people, sorry. I'm sorry. If me cuss bad word, me sorry. But how Grammy give them money a reggae album of the year? Over who? Over who? Eh? Inspire your mother.
And this is not their first album. They've been nominated before. And I've listened to some of their music. Never really listened to their music before, but I listened. And it's not necessarily for me, but I can definitely see it having a market. No, let me just say this, like a lot of questions, people saying like, how did they come out the winners? But Jamaica, we have to go do one deep dissecting into really looking at what the music is right now.
Soja.
But let me just say, congratulations to Soja. Them look like them did just as shocked as the whole of Jamaica. So them win.
And shouts out to all the pioneers, Jamaican artists, and everybody.
And so, and for them fault, are the people them who vote, it's not their fault. Because if me go there and win one award, me I call them award same way all who want vex, just vex. But yo, there's just so many conversations that we can't jump into. If you want to hear more about what I had to say on the matter, please to go and check out my countdown quickie right here. So because I did go into it a lot more. But Spice has posted on her page that she wants her fans them for just stick with her. Like this is just a moment. There will be other wins for her. Shenseea posted online as well. Bounty Killer has spoken out like a lot of people in the industry are not happy about the outcome. But hey, let's just see what can happen next year. Okay, well that is it, readers. We've come to the end of this social media countdown. If you did, please to hit the thumbs up button, turn on your post notification. Don't forget to, you know, leave a comment down below, share it with your friends and family, as well as to follow me on my social media at TheDuttyBerryShow and all my social media. So to send me an email if you want to advertise within the social media countdown to bookings.TheDuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next time.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on, it missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something, yo, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.